Are you looking for the best cheap drawing tablet? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap drawing tablet on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro Drawing Tablet. The Artist 13.3 Pro comes with a 13.3-inch display screen, which is the closest size proportion to your daily use laptop, so you can take this familiar partner anywhere easily in your creative journey. The creative red dial interface combines 8 fully customizable shortcut keys, crafted to make your creative workflow as smooth as possible. The red dial fits comfortably in your hand and, together with the shortcut keys, can be programmed for more customization options. Even when switching between software, there's no need to reset the functions of the shortcut keys and the dial, helping you capture and express your ideas faster and more easily. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro comes with a replaceable anti-glare optical film, featuring high transparency and scratch resistance that reduces glare while keeping your screen crisp and clear even bright light. Adopting fully laminated technology, the Artist 13.3 Pro seamlessly combines the glass and screen, to create a distraction-free working environment. The 13.3-inch fully laminated FHD display pairs a superb color accuracy of 88% NTSC, Adobe registered RGB 91%, sRGB 123%, with a 178-degree viewing angle and delivers rich colors, vivid images, and dazzling details in a wider view. Number 2. XPPen Artist 12 Pro Tablet features a super portable screen with an 11.6-inch display area and a convenient 3-inch-1 cable design. There's no need to use any adapter and it quickly connects to your computer. Start sketching, doodling, and drawing directly on Artist 12 Pro and begin your creative journey. The graphics monitor Artist 12 Pro includes a sleek red dial interface to make your workflow as smooth as possible. The dial fits comfortably in your hand and can be programmed for more customization options. Compared to the Artist 12's slim touch bar, it's easier to control accurately and with more freedom with the 12 Pro's dial wheel, letting you capture and express your ideas faster and more easily. The XPPen Artist 12 Pro supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function, so now you don't need to adjust the brush direction in the software over and over again. Simply tilt to add shading to your creation and enjoy smoother and more natural transitions between lines and strokes. Adopting fully laminated technology, the Artist 12 Pro seamlessly combines the glass and screen to create a distraction-free working environment. With virtually no parallax, your cursor appears exactly where you want it, offering a real paper-like feel while drawing on this 11.6-inch fully laminated IPS display with a 178-degree viewing angle and 1920x1080 high resolution. The XPPen Artist 12 Pro comes with a replaceable anti-glare optical film and features high transparency and scratch resistance while reducing glare and keeping your screen crisp and clear even bright light. Number 3. Ugee 12 Plus Drawing Tablet. The drawing tablet featuring an 11.9-inch FHD, 1920x1080, full laminated, anti-glare screen, provides a zero parallax drawing experience, with an ultra-wide color gamut of 147% sRGB. Every stroke comes to life in vibrant hues. The drawing tablet with pen features a slender pencil-like design for a comfy grip feel. With its inherent convenience, the stylus body is equipped with 2 programmable hotkeys, allowing you to effortlessly toggle between drawing tools and maximize your efficiency. 8192 level pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees tilt recognition for a natural and smooth drawing experience akin to using a pencil, with no delays or lags. The UE12P graphic tablet is equipped with a scroll wheel and 8 customizable shortcut keys. With the scroll wheel, you can easily and precisely control the drawing tools for better detailed drawing, such as pen, brush, eraser, brush size increasing, decreasing, undo, and so on. The UE12P digital drawing tablet with dual Type-C ports, allowing blind plug-in and providing flexible connection methods. It supports direct connection via a single full-featured USB-C cable when your phone's battery is running low during a drawing session. You can simply connect a power cable to the additional Type-C port, ensuring a longer-lasting drawing experience. Number 4. 6 inches wireless graphics pen tablet. This computer graphics tablet is ideal for online working, teaching and meeting. It has 10 hotkeys that can be customized according to your preferences, to set zoom in, zoom out, undo, save, delete. 8192 pressure sensitivity battery-free pen with 8 replacement refills. It can working long times for drawing, also gaming, and sign online etc. It reduces the need to switch back and forth between mouse and keyboard, and has function of a click, keyboard shortcuts and editing input. The drawing tablet simulates the frosted texture of paper. 8192 pressure sensitive battery-free stylus, 60 degrees tilt control, can adjust the pressure of the nib to more accurately reflect the natural thickness and darkness of the line. Features delay-free cursor positioning, and pen body comes with a key to switch the eraser function. Restore the true feeling of drawing. Left-handed easy as it can be 180 degrees rotated. Pen pockets on the top of the drawing pads to prevent pen loss. Type-C interface can connected with your digital drawing tablet, computer or phone easily and fast opening parenthesis. The phone needs to use an OTG converter. Type-C interface design supports blind insertion. Easy driver download. You just need to enter the official website of Ugee. Through support download, select the type of drawing board, select the computer system, click download to install. The driver is downloaded from the official authoritative website. Plug and play, safe and reliable. This drawing tablet is truly paperless, avoiding paper waste. Easy to carry as it is very thin and light, 1 cm thick and weight 200 grams. The 6.5 times 4 inch size makes this drawing pad for computer perfect for limited desktop space. It can be used for drawing design, photo editing, sketching, animation drawing, letter writing. It is suitable for children learn to draw for the first time, students who need to record at any time, and elderly people who are not familiar with the keyboard. Number 5. HUION KAMVAS Pro 12 Digital Tablet. The dimension of the 11.6 inches pen display is 350 by 198.6 by 11 millimeters, which is close to an A4 sheet. You can take it to everywhere you like without worries. The KAMVAS Pro 12 is equipped with HUION's latest battery-free pen PW507. So you no longer have to worry about charging problems. This pen also combines 8192 levels of pen pressure with plus-minus 60 pen tilt support, allowing you to have advanced pen performance. The 266 pps report rate provides a quick and agile feedback of the pen strokes, which is conducive to the smoothness of the lines. 4 user-defined express keys and a touch bar are set on the left side of the screen. Setting the express keys in the light of your preference, you can easily access your favorite settings. The KAMVAS Pro 12 combines full lamination technology with anti-glare glass to effectively reduce the glare damage to human eyes and shorten the distance between the pen nib and the cursor, making people feel like drawing on paper. The 120 sRGB wide color gamut presents 16.7 million colors vividly. Thanks to the wide color gamut, it has an outstanding color display effect and can greatly reduce the color difference.